Typically, underlines, scribbles, and notes left in the margins by a former owner lower a book. When the former owner is a famous poet like Walt Whitman, such markings, known as marginalia, can be a gold mine to literary scholars. Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? A. Value but. B. Value. C. Value, comma. D. Value but.
So in question number 21, we are talking about typically how underlines, scribbles and notes, if they are left in margins by a former owner, lower a book's value. So definitely value has to be there. So they will lower the book's value if they are underlines and scribbles and notes left by the former owner of that book. But when the former owner, so here if I just say lower a book's value, if I don't have a coordinating conjunction but to join the first independent clause and the second independent clause, it will not make complete sense. So I needed with the comma again. So A, value, comma, but is the correct answer. Choice A is the best answer. The convention being tested is the coordination of independent clauses within a sentence. An independent clause is a phrase containing a subject and a verb that can stand on its own as a sentence. So as you know, an independent clause is that phrase which will have a subject and a verb, and it can stand on its own. It doesn't need to depend on anything. So this choice uses a comma and the coordinating conjunction but to join the first independent clause, which starts from underlines. So the first independent clause which we can see here starts from underlines up till value, that is lower a book's value, and the second independent clause starts from such markings can be a gold mine to literary scholars. So this actually creates a compound sentence. So choice A is the best answer. The convention being tested is the coordination of independent clauses within a sentence. An independent clause is a phrase containing a subject and a verb that can stand on its own as a sentence. So this choice uses a comma and a coordinating conjunction but to join the first independent clause, which is from underlines to lower a book's value, and the second independent clause, which is from such markings up till can be a gold mine to scholars, to create a compound sentence.
Choice B is incorrect because it results in a run-on sentence. The two independent clauses are fused without punctuation and/or a conjunction. Choice C is incorrect because it results in a comma splice. A comma can't be used in this way to mark the boundary between two independent clauses. Choice D is incorrect because a comma is needed to mark the boundary between two coordinated independent clauses.